Hello guys, welcome back. North Face Wanderer here. Over there somewhere is Brian. Say hello, Brian. And today you find us at the foot of Hallin Fell in the Lake District, and we're going to do an overnighter. The place is rammed. I'll just show you the car park. I don't know if they're all up on Hallin Fell or they're all up on the crags, but we're going to find out, because we're now going to get our kit on and we're going to go make our way up to the top, which is the summit of Hallin Fell. Just an easy one. First time Brian's been in the lakes, first time Brian's wild camped in the lake, so hopefully he will enjoy it. So come along with us and we'll get ourselves up at Hallin Fell and see what it's like. See you in a minute, guys. We've only been going 10 minutes. Oh, you never forget when you're walking up Hallin Fell. How you find it, Brian?
Face will tell you everything, doesn't it?
We're about a quarter of a way, so Fudgy's at front leading the way, finding a path. Just had a little shower. There you go. Weather forecast is the rain's meant to be easing off and the weather's meant to be getting better. I've brought the drone. Hopefully the wind won't be too strong and we get some drone footage. So there we go. Apologise for Brian's backside. Out there. If you've ever done Hallin Fell, hang on, it's not that high and it's not that far. It's just a steep ascent which gets you breathing, especially if you're carrying a lot of kit like I am. So I'll catch you at the top.
Might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at you, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Glowing in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. You're glowing.
I'm waiting for Brian to do his. He's just made himself a brew. I haven't had this one out for a while. Look at the view I've got. Hopefully I'll be waking up to that in the morning. Got my chair with me. Trekology. Fantastic. What do you think of my chair, Brian? Come on, be honest.
To be honest, I'm jealous.
And he's not sitting in it neither.
What to do? My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. Can't stop looking at you. You're like a firefly.
So, tent set up. Not time to get anything to eat yet. Got fudgy down here. And this is the view, hopefully, tomorrow morning I'll be waking up to. Can't beat that, can you? Here we are, all set up. Hello, Fudge. So what we got tonight, obviously I've got some food, I'll be cooking later on. Oh, don't know how that got in here. Fudge must have put that in my my rucksack. 2 tins of Hobgoblin a ruby beer, which I'm just about to have a drink. Yeah. Oh, what we got? That's Fudge's food. I'm not really going to eat that. That's Fudge's food there. Got some mashed potato. Got some chorizo. And then I have in here 2 lamb swirls, I think they're called, which I'm going to have with this oyster and spring onion sauce and the mash. And then in the morning, oh, eggs and bacon with a bit of, where am I gone? Bit of fuel porridge. Lovely. Oh, and that is what I'm looking at. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Good to be out. Good to be out. I think I'm going to open a can with Brian. Don't know what he wants. Brian? Oh, Brian?
Yeah.
Are we having a drinky poos?
Yeah.
We're having a drinky poo, so I'll see you in a minute. What are you drinking, Brian? Guinness again. He drinks it from the can though. He's such an uncouth individual. That's what you get from coming from Middlesbrough. You're from Middlesbrough, aren't you, Brian? Middlesbrough. Rough end of Middlesbrough as well. Don't mess with Brian. It'd chop you up and bury you somewhere. Won't you, mate?
Yeah, that's about right.
Either that or it'd chop you up and eat you. One of the two. Have you tried one of these, Bri? Ruby? Right. Hobgoblin. Alright, yeah? I had a couple last night. Just got them from, where did I get them from? Asda, that's right, got them from Asda. That bloke's got a nose like me. What are you laughing at? If anyone looks like a goblin around here, it's you. 2 foot high. 4.5% beer. Hobgoblin, what's it say on the tin? Not a lot. I thought there'd be some sort of little story on there. No. Oh well. I'm going to enjoy this, guys, and then I'll probably get some scoff on. Oh, so we're all fed. We're just going to have a little walk around Hallin Fell. Sun's slowing down, cloud cover. Not really going to get a good sunset, I don't think. Brian's all wrapped up. You cold, Bri?
Quite warm.
Good. I think at this time of day the fells, the lakes, they all have sort of like a magical appearance when that sun's starting to go down. I mean, if you look in the distance over there, obviously the sun's shining over there, but unfortunately we've got too much cloud, so we're gonna just have a wander with Fudge. Wind's got up a bit, it's a bit colder now. I measured it and it was something like 7 miles an hour, but up on the top when we got up there we had 15.9, so it's not bad, but with that wind there's a chill. Yeah, I'm just going to go for a quick walk. Right, so we've just watched the sunset. The clouds cleared away just in time, so fantastic, great. I think it's time to get the hip flasks out, don't you, Spry?
I think so.
You going to come over to my tent with your hip flask?
Yeah, I'll come give you a quick visit.
We're getting hip flasks out, so it could get messy. So if you don't see anything after this, then that's the reason why. What have you got in yours?
Rum.
What type of rum? White rum? Black rum?
Just black. It's just black rum.
I've got rum as well, so it's going to get messy. So like I said, if you don't see anything after this, then you know why. See you later, guys. Morning, guys. Didn't film the pack up since it's raining. Leave no trace, that's normal. There's Brian, not going to leave him behind, but started to rain just as we got up, so we thought we'd pack up, get down to the car, maybe make some breakfast down there. Here's the weather. We were expecting rain this morning, but not this early, so yeah, we'll get back down to the car and see how it goes. So I'll see you in a minute once we get down. Bye. Right, so we're down off the hill. It stopped raining. Actually, looks like the sun's trying to get out there. We've popped into the church, which is at the bottom, Hallin Fell. Beautiful little church. Know nothing about it. Doesn't look like it gets used that much. But we've come around the back because it was raining earlier on, and we're having some breakfast. And we've got Brian here cooking up the bacon. Smells nice, mate. What we're having, bacon and egg.
Bacon and egg.
Bacon and egg, lovely. And then I'm making the brews down there. A little bird's nest up there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, I can smell that bacon now. Smells lovely. But the car park's near enough empty. Clouds are a little bit more ominous over there, but that's going to be the end of the video. So if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, press the button twice. That works just as well. Leave a comment, subscribe and share. But another one out. Enjoy yourselves. Brian, enjoy yourselves.
Yeah.
Anything for the camera?
Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed it. Nice little canny walk.
There you go. That was one of his first lake summits. So it's only a small one, but onwards and upwards. So catch you later, guys, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.